Dear student, welcome to your IBS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal University School, Morning. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1. And today's topic is a house and tree. Before you have drawn a house and tree separately. Today you will draw together. So look at the board. This one is very easy topic. First draw the house. Keep this straight line and draw this type of line and then join by this type of curved line. Again draw the line from two corners and join this line like this. Draw the line and give the pin. This one is very important. Give a door and window. So your house is completed. And now this one is straight. Give two curved line like this and join this like this and give here a V and draw a tree like this. Okay? For looking good, you can give here some flower weeds and grasses. But this one is not mandatory. If you draw that, your composition will good. So dear student, now I will say you what type of color I have used on this topic. I have used the sky color. The sky color is light blue and some orange color also. And on the field I have used here yellow and lemon yellow and deep green. And in this portion I have used here deep green. That means ocean green. And here I have used four colors. First I have used here yellow, then lemon green, then deep green, and finally the finishing is with the deep blue color. And on the house, look, the house is so much light. You also use the light color. First give some space white, and here I have used the ash color. On this space I have used here yellow and purple color. And on the door and window and the beak I have used here brown. That means brown sienna color. That means brown color. In the trees figure I have also used the brown color. So my dear student, hope all of you understood by today's class. Practice makes human perfect. So if you practice more, you will do better. So my dear student, this one is your HW also, and HW number 7. You must mention your topic name and the HW number and submit your HW every Saturday at your school. No more